Have you ever woken up feeling irritated, anxious, or mentally heavy, even though nothing bad actually happened? You try to understand it. You blame stress, you blame people, you blame overthinking. But what if the problem isn't in your mind at all? What if your stomach is quietly controlling your mood? Most people don't realize this, but your gut and your brain are in constant conversation every single moment of your life. And when that conversation goes wrong, your emotions change first, before you even feel pain. Think about this. Have you ever noticed that when your stomach feels bloated, acidic, or uncomfortable, your patience drops? You feel irritated for no reason. Small things bother you. Your mind feels foggy. That's not coincidence. That's biology. Your gut is often called the second brain, and that's not a metaphor. It contains millions of nerve cells, almost as many as a small animal's brain. But here's the shocking part most people never hear. Nearly 90% of serotonin, the chemical responsible for happiness, calmness, and emotional stability, is produced in your gut, not your brain. So when digestion is disturbed, your mood chemistry changes automatically. Your gut communicates with your brain through a powerful nerve called the vagus nerve. This nerve works like a high-speed internet cable, sending signals back and forth all day. When your gut is healthy, it sends calm, balanced signals. Your mind feels steady. You feel emotionally grounded. But when your gut is inflamed, stressed, or overloaded with poor food, it sends danger signals instead. And your brain reacts by creating anxiety, irritability, restlessness, or even sadness without asking you. That's why sometimes you feel anxious without knowing why. That's why your mood crashes out of nowhere. That's why motivation disappears. It's not weakness, it's chemistry. Now here's something even more interesting. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. These bacteria don't just digest food, they actively influence how you think and feel. Good gut bacteria help produce calming chemicals. Bad gut bacteria increase stress hormones and inflammation. So when your diet is poor, sleep is irregular, or stress is high, your gut bacteria change, and your mood changes with them. This is why people with long-term digestive issues often experience anxiety or low mood, and why improving gut health often improves mental clarity and emotional balance. Here's a simple way to understand it. Imagine your gut as a control room. If the control room is calm and organized, the whole system runs smoothly. But if it's chaotic and overloaded, alarms start ringing everywhere, including in your brain. The good news is this: you don't always need complicated treatments to improve this connection. Simple actions make a big difference. Eating real whole foods, reducing ultra-processed junk, staying hydrated, sleeping properly, managing stress, because stress hits the gut before it hits the mind. Even slowing down while eating helps your gut send calmer signals. So next time you feel emotionally off, before judging yourself, before blaming your thoughts, pause. Check your stomach, check your digestion, check your habits. Because sometimes emotional healing doesn't start in the mind, it starts in the gut. And once you understand this connection, you stop fighting your emotions and start fixing the real cause.